Hello, welcome to my channel Cryptocracy 360. Today we'll be looking at what is cryptocurrency? What are they used for? What give values to cryptocurrency? Is cryptocurrency a Ponzi scheme? I heard of a friend, or I was discussing with a friend, I was just suggesting, why don't you just invest your money in cryptocurrency? Say, MMA. And I laughed because he doesn't have the basic knowledge of cryptocurrency and how it works. So today I will be telling you what is cryptocurrency, the uses of cryptocurrency, and how it works. Welcome. I'm your host, your crypto boy, IAMS. Cryptocurrency are just simply put digital currency. In other words, they are currency but simply digital. They are not like your fiat note that you can hold in your hand, but it does similar thing to what you can do with your money. That is to say, if you can buy a car with your physical money, be it dollars, be it Nigerian naira, be it South Africa rand, be it Zimbabwe dollar, be it British pounds, you can also do same thing with cryptocurrency, but this time it has to be done electronically. So that is the difference. One, you can do it physically and you can even transfer the money, but this one is only done electronically. You cannot see it. Why they call it cryptocurrency is because it makes use of cryptography. It makes use of cryptography. That is to say, it is done in such a way that it's encrypted. You cannot really understand the value that is being transferred, but you can see it, but you don't understand how it is being transferred. So that's why it's called cryptocurrency. Then what are the uses of cryptocurrency? Does it have value? What value does it, does it add to the society? What can it be used for? One, cryptocurrency can be used to purchase goods and services. Like some countries and some online stores, you can use them to purchase goods and services. You can use them to book for a flight. You can use them for to buy so many things. A country like Japan, has made a Bitcoin as legalized. You can use to do your business. That is how it is. So you can use it to buy. So what you can use your fiat money to buy, what you can use your paper money to buy, you can also use cryptocurrency to buy it. That is point number one. Then point number two, you can use it for smart contract. What are smart contracts? They are just agreement that you read that when some conditions are met, then let this happen. Take for instance, I'm shopping in an online store. So what will make my goods to be released is when I make so payment, let so goods be released. So once I fulfill that terms of contract, then the goods are released onto me. That is number two. Can use it to execute smart contract. Three, you can use it as store of value. Yes, this is very important. As at the time Bitcoin started in 2009, it doesn't have much value then. So those people that entered earlier, they are reaping the benefit to today. Take for instance, when it started, it was not up to $1. But today, I can tell you the price of Bitcoin today is fluctuating between $48,000 to $49,000. That when you convert it to Nigerian naira, is over 20 million to 22 million. You see? So those that enter earlier, that got it at the platter of gold, be it, not just up to 5 cents, not up to $1. Then now, just tell me, the benefit, the wealth that will come out of it. That is point number 3. It is a store of value. And point number 4, it is an investment tool. Cryptocurrency are investment tools. Take for instance, in the year 2020, when the pandemic, coronavirus was rampaging everywhere, killing business, closing businesses, shutting down big economies like the US, like the China, big economies of the world, when they were being shut down, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency were gaining value day after day. In fact, it attained its all-time high in the year 2020 and even year 2021. Yes, it moved. Let me use Nigerian naira for instance. It moves from 5 million to 7 million, from 7 million to 12 million. So it got to the point that it was over 19 million naira worth of one Bitcoin. When other currencies were going down, businesses were going down, other enterprises, big economy were being shut down. Yet those who invested heavily on Bitcoin, those who invested heavily, on cryptocurrency, they were reaping huge amount of return. So you now see why companies are investing in it. Of recent, the richest man in the whole world, Elon Musk, invested $1.5 billion into Bitcoin. You don't wonder, you now begin to wonder, what did they see? It's because of the great benefits, it's because of the great future that cryptocurrency have. Oh yes, it has a great future, a tremendous future at that. So it's a good investment tool for you to invest in. And you know what it is? It doesn't matter the amount you have to invest. Yes, we know the amount you invest determine your return, because it's not like a Ponzi scheme that will say bring 1 or 2. When you invest 1 naira, you will get 100 naira. No, it's not like that. In fact, how does it work? Cryptocurrency works with the law of demand and supply. So long there is a demand for it, it will continue to soar high. So long there is a much needed, what is being needed for, the higher it goes. So when it's being demanded, it increases value. When the supply is exceeding the demand level, you see it coming down. For those who trade it, that's why they tell you there's a bullish market, there's a bearish market. Bullish means the prices are going up. Bearish means the prices are coming down. So it is a great investment tool. Most banks of the US are investing heavily on Bitcoin. Take for instance this online payment service, PayPal. They've invested so much. Towards the ending of year 2020, they adopted cryptocurrency as a means of payment in their platform. That is to say, they've come in terms, with the great success. They've come in terms with the great potential that, cryptocurrency possess. So they key into it, and that increase the value of Bitcoin. And point number 5, you can also use it to transfer money for little transaction fee. Take for instance, you want to transfer money to a person who is in US, who is in UK, who is in another world from our country here in Nigeria. So you can just use the money, you buy the exact amount of that money in cryptocurrency. Take for instance Litecoin, or you can use it to buy a social amount of Ripple. Then you transfer it, or the transaction fee, the transfer fee will be low compared to when you are using a Western Union or using a bank account to transfer such money. You see the great benefit it has, even in the financial sector. Yes, it has. So there are so much more that cryptocurrency can offer. So I just narrow it down to this point number 5. Point number 1, I said you can use it to purchase goods and services. Point number 2, you can use it to execute smart contracts. Point number 3, you can use it as as an investment tools. You can use it to invest things. You can invest into it in order to reap so much reward after. Then point number 4, I told you, is a great store of value. And point number 5, I told you can use it to transfer money from one location or another. Yes, with this in mind, I believe you should consider investing in cryptocurrency, because they are not Ponzi scheme, they are not pyramid scheme, they are not a scheme of referral that you bring somebody before you make your money. It works with the law of demand and supply. You have your money, it's like opening a shop. You buy your goods, you sell, you make money. That's how it is. The shop you open now is when you go to cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, like Luno, then you now buy you buy from there, and when the price is up, you sell. That's business. That's legal business. That's a great source of income, and it doesn't require you time. You can be doing other businesses while you also doing it alongside. And it brings much more benefit. It brings much more reward. It brings much more, resources to you. So I believe you should consider, investing in cryptocurrency. You can either trade it, you can hold on to your day life, that is popular, HODL. And also you can mine it, but for this our country, Nigeria, there's no much like we don't mine here. The two things you do, you can either buy and hold, till when the price is up, or you can either trade, the volatile nature of it. It can allow you to trade it. When the price is up, you sell. When it is down, you buy and make a substantial profit from it. So this is where we'll be drawing the curtain today. In our next video, I will be telling you 5 top cryptocurrency which you should consider investing in. Till then, stay happy and keep making money.